IISD Reporting Services is here at the Paris Climate Change Talks reporting on select side events. The JCM is a mechanism by which Japan's contribution to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions in partner countries is calculated and evaluated as credits contributing to Japan meeting their own emission reductions target.
Japan thinks that the leading low carbon technology is a key issue to solve the climate change issues.
The government of Japan will assist the initial investment up to 50% to the initial investment cost. But we may acquire the emission reductions credit from those projects. In our NDC, we are aiming to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through the JCM for the estimated amount to be from 50 to 100 million tons toward the 2030.
Projects are selected according to policy priority and local need.
We actually will try to take the needs of developing countries in the field. We bring our technology experts to look at, for example, to provide kind of a diagnosis or energy audit and identify specific needs that can be solved, addressed by GCM projects.
It's similar to the CDM, existing CDM, but different in the governance, so that the countries involved can decide, I think, in a flexible manner with, of course, trying to ensure the so-called environment integrity, transparency, additional emission reduction, and so on. Now we have the 16 partner countries, and in addition to that, the Republic of the Philippines expressed clearly to their intention to participate in JCM during the COP21.
The carbon credits that are generated are shared between Japan and the country in question.
Let's say we have a emission reduction project which has accomplished 100 tons of CO2 emission reductions. Then the project participant will decide on the allocation of credits. 50 tons of CO2 will go to Japanese side, 50 tons goes to partner country side. So those 50 tons of credit will be issued to Japanese registry and the partner country registries. Afterwards, from Japan, this 50 tons of CO2 can be used or traded within Japanese registry, but it cannot go to the other countries' registry.
Indonesia provided a concrete example of how the JCM is working in practice.
Indonesia and Japan believe that GCM then can bring emission reduction as well as sustainable development and also transfer technology.
But now we have 20 projects. 3 projects are already registered and 17 projects are in our pipelines. From these projects, we have many projects in energy efficiency, renewable energies, and REDD+.
For example, we have our biggest project currently is we developed 30 megawatt of waste heat recovery in our biggest cement industry, Cement Indonesia. And here we develop what we call the waste heat recovery power generation. We catch the waste heat and then we develop the power generation for that waste heat.
Indonesia get a lot of benefits from the GCM. Yes, we also have many challenges. Yes, we have many difficulties, but the benefit that we can get is many. And I'm pretty sure without a GCM scheme, all of those projects cannot be done.
Efforts are underway to understand how the JCM relates to similar market mechanisms at national level.
JICA has a research project so-called linkage study. This is the linkage between the JCM and the other mitigation policies in Indonesia. Together with Indonesian JCM Secretariat and the coordinating ministry, we are looking for some solutions in Indonesia. So our message is the JCM is not only the tool for greenhouse gas reduction, but it could be very, very good tool for communication by policymakers.
Panelists expressed optimism for the future of the JCM beyond the Paris talks.
This COP has been very fruitful in terms of finding other international organizations that they want to work with us.
With our practical approach, well, it is our humble wish to contribute to the future climate change regime. It is Japan's idea, and also our partners concurred that we should deliver, and we should continue to deliver.